Hello friends, today I am going to take you along with us on the process of us finally getting a patio on the home that we have been building over the last 6 years. After a year and a half of living in the home, it was so nice to finally get rid of that scaffolding and go to a more finished and welcoming look. Even in the snow, it looked so much better than it did before. This section of the patio is approximately 80 feet long and took about 30 tons of compaction rock to fill. Here Damien is putting rebar down after he compacted the fill. Hey Kiki, say hi. So this part we are not doing for logistical reasons right now. And then we're gonna pour this part right over here, and that is going to make such a big difference in the front of our house. It's been just like a concrete type or like a construction scene for so long. And very, very soon we will be looking a lot more like a home. First things first, we have to pour the foundation for the new chicken coop. In a later video, I will do a full tour of the coop, but I will just say it turned out absolutely darling. We did this pour in July and the temperature was about 100 degrees, so it was all hands on deck even for these small sections. The part that he is standing in here is going to be the front porch of the chicken coop. After the coop was finished, they moved on to the first section of our front porch. I felt so sorry for the guys working in this heat, and there was nothing I could do except to keep bringing them ice pops throughout the day. This is the final section of patio to be poured for today, which will connect to the existing sidewalk and patio on the north side of the house. Yeah. Temperatures were getting hot, but tempers were getting even hotter. Or maybe they were just tossing each other water bottles. I don't know. You make up your story and I'll make up mine. Back to the chicken coop where Dustin is stamping the concrete. So this is going to be a wood look?
Yeah. Oh. Oh, dang.
So that is the release,
Yes.
Is that right? And what does it do?
Keeps the concrete from sticking to these stamps.
Okay, kind of what its name implies.
Yeah.
It smells like bubble gum.
Yep. bubble gum.
Do you want me to help you do anything?
Oh, I got it.
I don't know that Dustin or any of the guys for that matter are that excited about being filmed, but they let me film them anyway. Thanks for being such a great sport, guys.
You can even see the old nail pinholes in it and stuff.
That's so awesome.
Little nail head.
Yeah, I love that. And this is how the patio turned out after staining it. I didn't get any video of him staining it, but it turned out beautifully. It's actually more of a blended look than this and a little bit more muted after the first couple of days. Next up, we have to do the flower beds. Now, by this time, winter is just around the corner, so we held off on planting anything, but Damien did go ahead and put the stones in place and put in the backfill. He used stones that closely match the flower beds that we did a few years ago on the little cabin that is on the same property here. It's the cabin that we lived in while we built the bigger house. And it kind of ties the two properties together even more so. I think once we end up getting our flowers in our new bed and our plants, that it will look absolutely wonderful. A huge thank you to my husband for always working so hard for us. And thank you also for watching us along our journey. Until next time, God bless.